Ever found yourself staring at a full closet and feeling like you have nothing to wear? It's a universal struggle, isn't it? A wardrobe bursting with clothes, yet nothing seems to hit the mark. This is an issue that plagues countless individuals. Fashion should be a joy, not a chore, but it seems we've all been stumped by our own wardrobes at some point. You're not alone in this fashion paradox. Today, we are on a mission to debunk this universal puzzle. We've spent countless hours researching, experimenting, and compiling a comprehensive list of 15 easy-to-apply formulas to build stylish outfits using your existing wardrobe staples. We've dug deep into the world of fashion, explored a range of styles, and picked out the most versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create an endless array of flattering outfits. We've got classics with a twist, modern takes on old favorites, one-and-done wonders that are effortless yet chic, and some bonus tips to spice things up. We're not just talking about the basic tee with jeans combination, but also inventive ways to your blazers, sweaters, skirts, and more. Whether you're a fan of casual chic, polished elegance, or the latest trends, we've got something for everyone. We've curated styles that work for all body types, personalities, and occasions. And the best, these aren't hard and fast rules. They're starting points for you to add your personal touch. We want you to express your unique style, so consider our tips as guidelines that inspire creativity. Fashion is about individuality and self-expression, and we're here to help you find and embrace your style. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and prepare to embark on this fashion journey with us. It's time to invite excitement back into your wardrobe and transform those "I have nothing to wear" days into "I can't wait to wear this" moments. Get ready to conquer those nothing to wear mornings with these outfit ideas. Let's start with some classics with a twist. First up, the little black dress, a timeless piece. Dress it up with a blazer and trainers for a daytime look. For the evening, swap the trainers for heels. Updo your hair for added glam. Up next, the coordinating and effortless, always stylish choice. Simply add your preferred shoes and accessories and you're ready. The jeans and nice top combo allows you to express your personality. Jazz up your casual jeans with a statement top. Be daring with vibrant shades, extraordinary designs, or a shimmer. Transitioning to the white shirt and wide leg trousers combo. This combination is chic, perfect for office or brunch. Flats or heels, both work to enhance your elegance. Lastly, the denim maxi skirt and white t-shirt. A refreshing alternative to jeans. Yan's neutral version serves as a perfect style inspiration. It's comfortable and oh so chic. The secret to making these classics work is in the details. Reflect on your accessory choice, hairstyle, and makeup. They influence the aura of your outfit. For instance, statement earrings can accentuate a simple white shirt and wide leg trousers combo. A bold red lip can add drama to a black dress. These classics offer versatility and serve as blank canvases for your personal touch. Don't hesitate to experiment. Make these outfits truly yours. With these classics in your arsenal, you're already halfway to solving your wardrobe woes. Now, let's shake things up with some modern takes on favorite outfits. To begin, we delve into the trendy world of the midi dress and trench combination. This trend-setting outfit has been popularized by the style icon Jean Damas. Her love for this ensemble is not without good reason. The trench coat brings an immediate sense of refinement to any dress, immediately giving it a chic and sophisticated touch. It's truly the perfect finishing touch, whether you're wearing a floral print dress on a bright sunny day or choosing a solid color for an important business meeting. The trench coat never fails to bring versatility and elegance to your look, transforming it instantly to a higher plane. Next on our list is the tank top and fun pants outfit. This ensemble is not just about embracing the Gen Z trend, but is a celebration of it. It invites a pop of color or a patchwork of patterns into your wardrobe. Mix and match your tank tops and fun pants to create a different, vibrant look each time you step out. For those feeling daring, opt for neon green pants paired with a simple black tank top to make a bold statement. Alternatively, a striped tank top with solid color pants can make for a more subdued but equally trendy look. Our third fashionable outfit is the white jeans and blazer combination. This provides a contemporary twist on the timeless jeans and blazer combo. The white jeans infuse a fresh and clean aesthetic to the entire outfit, while the blazer upscales it with a touch of class. This ensemble gives you the flexibility to dress it up for more formal occasions with a pair of high heels or tone it down for a relaxed day out with some stylish flats. Last, but certainly not least, we navigate to the world of the mini skirt and shirt or jumper outfit. This look pays homage to Sylvie Moose's minimalist magic. Tailored pieces, each with a modern twist, make this outfit a standout. Opt for a crisp, clean white shirt and a black mini skirt for a classic monochrome look. Alternatively, a patterned jumper and a solid color mini skirt add a playful dimension to your wardrobe. And remember, these outfit ideas are just a stepping stone. Feel free to mix and match, add your signature style, and make each outfit uniquely yours. Adding these modern twists to your favorite outfits can make a world of difference in your wardrobe. Looking for a quick and easy solution? Let's explore some one-and-done wonders. On top of the list is the classic suit. You might think about business meetings when picturing a suit, but its versatility goes beyond that. It's the styling that plays the key role. For a more casual yet sophisticated look, combine it with a pair of sleek sneakers. Alternatively, for a more formal setting or an after-work event, replace those sneakers with a pair of stunning high heels. The suit remains the same, but the shoes make it adaptable for different occasions, transitioning your appearance from daytime to nighttime effortlessly. Next, we present the printed dress and sneakers combination, a signature look of the style maestro, Michelle Lee. This ensemble is an excellent way to casually dress down an otherwise formal attire. The vibrant printed dress serves as your statement piece, while the sneakers add an understated charm. This pairing strikes the right balance between playful and refined, making it a must-try. Then we have jumpsuits, the epitome of one-and-done outfits. With a jumpsuit, the hassle of coordinating pieces is eliminated as the top and bottom harmoniously complement each other. Want to dress it up? Put on a pair of heels and a clutch, perfect for an evening out. For a casual day, pair it with comfortable flats and a crossbody bag. You can also add layers like a snug cardigan or a tailored blazer when it gets colder. Finally, we have the waistcoat and tailored trousers duo. This look, popularized by style influencer Flex Mommy, is a nod to the trending waistcoat fashion. For a relaxed feel, pair it with jeans or stick to tailored trousers for a refined, well-put-together look. The waistcoat, being an unusual layer, adds a unique touch and makes your outfit stand out. Each of these one-and-done wonders is your answer for days when you're running against time, but need to maintain your style quotient. They are standalone statements, requiring minimal styling but delivering maximum impact. So the next time you're standing in front of your wardrobe, perplexed about what to wear, keep these one-and-done wonders in mind and face day with panache. These one-and-done wonders are your go-to for those days when you're short on time but still want to look stylish. And finally, we have some bonus tips for you. First up, we have the vibrant shirt and jeans combo. This is a fantastic way to add a pop of color to your day, especially if you're stuck in a style rut. Start with a pair of well-fitting jeans. Remember, the fit is crucial here. Too loose and they'll look sloppy, too tight and they might be uncomfortable. Next, find a vibrant shirt. This could be a bright color, a bold pattern, or even a funky print. The key here is to make a statement. Pair this with your jeans and voila! You have an outfit that's perfect for work or play. Add a pair of chic flats or heels to elevate your look. Next on our bonus list is the double denim outfit. Now this might sound a bit daunting, but trust me, when done right, it can look incredibly chic and modern. The trick is to mix different shades and textures of denim. Start with a classic pair of blue jeans. Then, add a denim shirt or jacket in a different shade. This could be a darker or lighter shade, depending on your preference. To break up the denim, you could add a belt or a statement piece of jewelry. Finish the look with a pair of cool trainers for a casual vibe, or swap them for heels for a more polished look. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. These formulas are just starting points. The beauty of these outfits is that you can add your own personal touch. Play around with accessories, shoes, and styling tricks to make each outfit truly your own. Try a bold lip color with your vibrant shirt or a cool hat with your double denim outfit. The possibilities are endless. These bonus tips will give your workwear a stylish boost and show you how double denim can be done right. So, there you have it, 15 outfit ideas to conquer those nothing-to-wear mornings. We've navigated through the classics with a twist, like the little black dress and the coordinating set. We've explored modern takes on favorites, like the midi dress with a trench or the tank top with fun pants. We delved into one-and-done wonders, including the versatile suit and the all-in-one jumpsuit. And let's not forget our bonus tips like the vibrant shirt with jeans or the chic double denim. Each of these formulas is a launch pad for your creativity. You can add your personal touch with accessories, shoes, and styling tricks. Mix and match, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with your fashion. Remember, these are just starting points. The key is to make each outfit your own. Happy styling! We hope you found these outfit ideas helpful and inspiring. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and having fun. So don't be afraid to try something new and step out of your comfort zone. If you enjoyed this video, we would really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Your feedback means a lot to us. Also, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Share your favorite outfit ideas or any styling tips you swear by. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more fashion tips and tricks coming your way. Thank you for watching. Stay stylish. In the world of fashion, trends are ever changing, styles are continually evolving, and the quest to look your best never ends. And that's why we're here, to guide you through the labyrinth of fashion. If you found value in our video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Your feedback is our lifeline, so don't hesitate to drop a comment below. What fashion tips or trends would you like us to delve into next? Your suggestions drive our content, making this not just our channel, but your channel. Let's make fashion accessible to everyone, one video at a time. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and join our fashion-forward community. Together, we can take the fashion world by storm. Remember, style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. So let your style do the talking. Until next time, stay chic, stay fabulous, and as always, keep it stylish.